This is MOG Library's video tutorial for using Academic Search Complete. Academic Search Complete, published by EBSCO, is a database that spans many subject areas and contains full-text articles from over 4,000 scholarly journals. It's a great source to find a scholarly article for basically any research topic you might think of. Right now, we're looking at the main page. I'll show you some of the general features first, and we'll look at more in-depth features later on. At the top of the page is the search bar. You can use keywords and Boolean terms like you learned in a previous lesson, or choose fields like title or author if you already know what you're looking for. Right on this main page also, there are a few easy ways to make sure I get the most relevant results. First of all, if I know I want scholarly articles that have the full text available online, I can check the boxes here for full text and scholarly peer-reviewed journals. Another thing you can do from the main page is select individual databases you'd like to search in. Academic Search Complete is one database by itself, but we can also search additional databases at the same time. If we click Choose Databases at the top, we can see a list of all the databases that Academic Search Complete contains and select the ones that are most relevant to our research topic. For example, if I wanted to focus on sociological aspects of my topic, I could select databases like SocIndex by clicking in the box here. You can click the button next to all the database names to get a brief description to help you decide. The more databases you select, the more results you'll get. I'm going to start with just a search of Academic Search Complete, which is the first database on the list. So I'm going to type my search, human rights, in the search box. I'm putting it in quotation marks because I want it to search as a phrase, not as each word separately. I'm going to check the boxes for full text and scholarly peer-reviewed journals, and then I'm going to click search and see what I get. This is the results page. We can see that the database returned about 20,000 results, which is more than we need, but we'll go with it for now. Each entry in the list gives a title, authors, publication information, and some information about the article, usually the subject listing. I'm going to choose an article that looks helpful and click on the title to access it. This page gives us more information about the article, like a full list of subject terms, as well as the full abstract, which is a summary of the article, and you can read that instead of reading the whole article to see if it's going to be useful. If I decide I do want to read the full article, I just click on PDF full text on the left here. This brings up the article in full, and I can read it here, or I can download a copy if I'm on my own computer. I can print a copy if I click here, or I can email it to myself so that I can read it later. From here, I can return to the detailed record of the source, or back to the results list to find another article. This concludes MOG Library's Introduction to Academic Search Complete. The next video will show some more advanced techniques for using this database. If you have any questions, please stop in and ask at the reference desk, give us a call at extension 3686, or visit the library's homepage at mog.ysu.edu.